Hi everyone, welcome in Raspberry Pi session. Today I buy the Raspberry Pi and how the Raspberry Pi will work and how the configuration we need to do. So I will show you here. So this is my Raspberry Pi and this is the device of Raspberry Pi. So how it's work? So first of all, you can see here we have some ports, some sockets are there. Okay, and yeah, it looks very pretty, Raspberry Pi. And first we will start with the basics. So how you need to configure this. So you will receive a memory card with this. So first of all, you have to fit the memory card in the Raspberry Pi. So I'm taking out my Raspberry Pi and this is my memory card. So I'm putting my Raspberry Pi memory card here. This is a socket for the memory card. Then I put it here. Then after that, you have to you will receive a one charger also with the Raspberry Pi. So this is my charger. So this is a Type C charger. Okay, that's good. Now I need to put a charger here. This is a C1. Okay, so you need to put here. Okay, so this is I put it here. Now the next step. Okay, this is for the starting. Then I received the sense hat with this. So I'm configuring with this sense hat. So this is my sense hat. This is my sensor head. Okay, so I'm configuring with this and you can see here this socket is already I put it there. And now next in the Raspberry Pi you have to add this one simply. So this video is for the configuration purpose. Okay, it's not for the basic how what is the Raspberry Pi and this. So you can see here I put it the my sense hat on the upon this. Okay, so like this. Then so let's first start this with the I'm putting in a socket of my charger. Okay, so now you can see here this is showing like this. Now you can see this is showing some colors. Okay, this is a rainbow color is showing here. Okay, and now I will be connect. So one USB also you will receive here for the monitor. Okay, so I'm configuring the monitor with this. So for monitor you have to put the second slot. Okay, so I put it in this. Now you can see here is LED is lighting is change. Okay, now is also I received the camera with the module is the camera for the Raspberry Pi. So then you need to configure the camera also. Then I'm configuration and this is my keyboard port. So keyboard writing from here and this is my mouse. Okay, now your Raspberry Pi is ready.